Malaria is a disease that is caused by a parasitic protozoan called Plasmodium. It is passed from one person to another through the female Anopheles mosquito. The Plasmodium is passed from one person to another through the transmission of the mosquito. When the mosquito bites the infected human, the mosquito drinks its blood containing the disease. When the mosquito bites the uninfected person, the Plasmodium is then transported from the intestine through the needle of the mosquito into the bloodstream of the human. The parasitic protozoan inhabits the intestine of the mosquito and waits for the mosquito to bite another person. When the mosquito bites the uninfected person, the Plasmodium is then transported from the intestine through the needle of the mosquito into the bloodstream of the human. The Plasmodium then travels from the bloodstream all the way to the liver. Here in the liver, it spends 10 to 15 days maturing to be ready to reinvade the bloodstream. The Plasmodium reinvades the bloodstream, inhabiting the red blood cells where they eat the hemoglobin and reproduce and multiply within those cells. When the Plasmodium reproduces and multiplies, it stretches the red blood cells and then it breaks apart. After that red blood cell breaks apart, the Plasmodium then moves to the next red blood cell and reproduces and multiplies within that cell too. This then continues in a cycle. With the transmission blocking vaccine, when the infected human who is vaccinated is bitten by the mosquito, the antibodies are taken with the blood and Plasmodium into the mosquito. Here is where the antibodies disrupt the malaria's life cycle and stop it from spreading. This works best when everyone in the community has the vaccination, as it stops the spread of the disease and controls it. The PlasProtect vaccine can activate the human T cells and recognize them and help fight the Plasmodium to destroy it. The effectiveness of the PlasProtect vaccine and the transmission blocking vaccine are quite unsure yet, as they haven't been properly tested out, but they plan to test it out very soon. By lacking in the control of the malaria disease, the epidemic of Burundi spread quite quickly and turned into an epidemic.